Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video we are going to talk about Typeform. As you can see, we will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Typeform as it is, and also, yeah, it's completely free, so we don't have to go through like the basic pricing plans. So, what is Typeform? Typeform makes it very easy for any online business to collect data by offering its responsive and intuitive forms on every device. Be it desktop, tablet or smartphone, it allows creating questionnaires for surveys like never before, as it predicts the questions as the user types. It can accommodate unlimited questions for its paid version, though the number is limited to 10 per form for basic free version. It enables a collection of payments via gateways to make things more convenient for the users. And of course, with the calculation feature as well. It has email alerts for every filled up form, but besides this, it can even be integrated with MailChimp. Apart from this, it offers integration with other tools like HubSpot, Zapier, etc. Hence, with its unlimited responses and advanced builder, it turns out to be an amazing option for you. It's made for all types of businesses, being that large, medium and small as well. And they are located in Spain. Of course, and obviously, you have a free trial or freemium, which is basically for unlimited type forms, but there are 10 questionnaires per type form, 10 responses per month, logic jumps, and many more. Then we have a basic, which is $25 a month if you want to be billed yearly. And yeah, also 100 responses a month included, one user, unlimited type forms, and unlimited questions. So that's really nice. Also, in this basic version, you have integrations with Automate.io, HubSpot, MailChimp, Airtable, Pipedrive, and Slack. If you want to go through free version, there are just Automate, Zapier, Slack, MailChimp, HubSpot. If you want to go and be billed for $50 a month, you have 1,000 responses and per 3 users, and the business one is the most expensive one, which is $83 a month, 10,000 responses, 5 users, and all the other things that have the previous packages, but live chat as well and priority support. Then also they are offering for the biggest of the companies a custom plan where it's completely quotation based. So when we hit that sign up button, we can get into your own type form. Straight away, if you can see, there are the plans that we talked about. And it's free, 21, 47 and 75, but now it's showing in euros, and also how many responses you need. You can also go with a monthly plan, but it's more expensive. It's 16%. But what we are all here for are basically the workspace. You can start with your own workspace and create it according to you, and also start with a type form. So as you can see, we don't have anything here. Now in the bottom part, we have the responses collected and basically the countdown from starting obviously with 0 to 10. Let's check and click on create type form. You can go from multiple categories. As you can see, there are some graphics, also some insights in the research, feedback, lead capture, registration, quiz, applications, and many more. We can start with the quiz. or start from scratch. If you want to start from scratch, we are in here. Okay, sorry. And we go with my type form. We can start with the basics, which is hello, what's your name? And you will type the answer here. If you are okay, you just press OK. And the second one is nice to meet you. The name used from the first one, how is your day going? And you can go with terrific, not so well, or even add your own choice, like not your beeswax, and so on and so on and so on. Here you can change it on like phone number, short text, or multiple choices. It's completely up to you. If you want to add a new content, you'll just click on the big plus button. My question is, do you like tutorials? Option A will be yes. Option B will be no. I have no opinion on them. And that's basically it. If you want to add more, you can just click plus, and as you can see, you have tons of options to choose from. For example, multiple choices, short text, statement, long text, and email. Then we have contact info, text, number, and many more. Welcome screen, ending. And yeah, if you want to go with email, your question here, write down your email, and that's it. And the people can add their email and just basically move. Then plus, and yeah, we can also upload files where you should just drag and drop, and many more. If you want to go back, we just click on top left corner or my form. Here we can basically add a view. But yeah, I can't really log in. So I have to, yeah, we can share it. This is the link. And yeah, we have to log back and or create an account. Then we have rename it, basically tutorial one. And like this, you can basically micromanage every single type form that you are working. Then we can check the results. But at the moment, they won't be any, because I never upgraded the plan or I haven't shared it to anyone. With these type forms, it's really easy to create them. It's really easy to send them and get an opinion or second wave around. Obviously, we will create more videos about Typeform, so you'll see basically everything, how it's done in Typeform, what you can expect, and many more. For example, straight from the way how to create new Typeform and how to basically add more things. But I think this video is already long enough to get your attention. So I'll create more 3-minute tutorials. They're all going to be easier to find and easier to track for you. So that's about it. Let us know if you have any questions about this type form. Typeform workspace, or how to log in, or how to pay the subscription. We'll show you everything in the next videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.